Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. Today's video is the 2021 Summer Bar Cart collaboration, and it is being hosted by Marilyn of It's a Cozy Lifestyle and yours truly, Phyllis. Again, my channel is JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. My bar cart is going to be styled as Tropical Gold Summer Bar Cart styling. We ask that you mention our names and our channel links, as well as putting it in the description box below, our channel links, as well as the playlist. We also ask that you share with us your drink of choice in the video, prepared or preparing it. This is what I'll be creating, a pineapple coconut drink. I found this video on Pinterest and I used all of the ingredients, which I will be showing you as well. I added Sprite to the ingredients that was shared in this video link below. Again, coming up, I am showing you all of the ingredients that I used in my pineapple coconut drink. Everything that's here, minus the bananas, because when I received them, they were green and were not ripe yet. And I will be adding a Sprite. So this is everything that, again, that was in that video. And I will be adding a Sprite drink to kind of kick it up a notch. And here are the bananas. They were not ripe, so I bought this drink that had banana flavoring in it. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, everyone, I'm getting ready to make I'm calling it a sparkling pineapple smoothie, because I'm going to put some Sprite. And it's to put a few ice cubes. Just a few. And then this here. I already smell the banana on this. And I'm using this as I showed in the video, because I've been ordering my groceries through Prime, Amazon Prime, and I ordered bananas. Of course, the picture shows them yellow. I get them green, but they do eventually turn yellow. So we're going to just pour a little bit of this pineapple orange banana, and I'm just winging this. I'm not using, again, the measurements that's on the video. I am so sorry about that interruption. That's my oldest daughter, and she never fails to call me when I'm recording. Okay, so let's pour this in. Well, you know what? Let me see what it tastes like without. No, it needs some honey. I can taste the coconut and pineapple, but even with that, it's not sweet. It's not bitter, but it's not sweet. So let's do this one more time. Hold on, let me rinse this off. The fail for me in this is number one. It didn't turn out to a smoothie. It just turned out to a very liquefied drink. And number two, I don't think I'll put shredded coconut in mine, because I don't want to that's what I'm doing. I'm chewing coconut in it. But besides not being thick as a smoothie, I don't know where I went wrong as far as my measurements. And the coconut, I don't want to chew a coconut, I just want to drink. It's good. And what really brought it up, the honey, and yes, the Sprite. I probably do 7-Up too, and ginger ale really brought this up. And I love the taste of it. I'm gonna drink this. Oh, that's good. There's more Sprite in there. Wow, that is really, really, really good. And believe it or not, I put one of these here cherries in it because it wasn't thick. It went to the bottom. If it was thicker, the cherry would have sat on top. So that's my take on the pineapple smoothie, which mine's turned out to be a pineapple coconut drink. Delicious. Now here I'm sharing with you how I created my version of the Z-Gallerie grapes. The blush colored ones and the silver ones that I'm showing you, I did that last year. And I do have a video if you're interested in seeing it. I am going to show it here, but I'll still link the video below of when I did the blush and the silver ones. Here I'm spray painting some more gold, and then I'll be covering them with gold glitter, because again, the title of my bar cart styling is Tropical Gold. The tropical came in the drink, and the gold is coming in with the colors that I put on my bar cart. And here, after spraying it with the gold spray paint here, this side didn't get covered, so I'm putting some more gold spray paint. But I'm also going to be using the clear glaze, the spray here. And while it is wet, I'm with the spray, I'm going to cover it with glitter. Now, if you're going to do this, let the color of what you put on dry completely, and then cover it with the glaze and glitter. So here I let them sit out and dry, and I actually let them sit out and dry for a whole day. And here it is, my Tropical Gold Summer Bar Cart styling. A lot of the items that's on my bar cart is thrifted. Majority of it is thrifted, and some of it DIY. Like these coasters, the coasters. A video will be released on next weekend of how I made these from styrofoam. These are actually the styrofoam that you buy from the Dollar Tree. And I actually did another video showing how I created them in a frame. The gold glasses are stemless champagne glasses from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted them gold. Here are the grapes that I just did, and then the silver ones that I did last year. The gold bowl that it's sitting in, that's from the thrift store. I've had that for a while. These pineapple cups, I got them from Walmart about 3 years ago, and they were rose gold, but I spray painted them gold. This lamp was like and I'll put a picture up of what it looked like. I spray painted it gold. This glass is from Goodwill. There's another one of the DIY styrofoam coasters, and they're supposed to be the form of the agate coasters. This little bike wine bottle holder that used to be like a bronze black color, I spray painted it gold. And then this ice bucket, the inside used to be black, I spray painted it gold. And I love the two-tone of silver and gold. This pineapple, it used to be silver the entire thing. I just sprayed the bottom part gold and put some diamond studs on it, and left the top silver and put gold beads on the leaves. These bottles were a Goodwill thrift that I purchased years ago, and I taped it off and just spray painted gold of what I wanted to be gold. And then the white pineapple, well, that's how I bought it. But having everything on there gold thus gave my title Tropical Gold Summer Bar Cart Styling. And these glasses are also from the thrift store. So I hope you enjoyed how I created my drink and how I bought this styling of my Tropical Gold Summer Bar Cart together. And I want to thank you all for stopping by.